These are not the best of times in Manassas, Virginia, about 50 kilometers from the U.S. Capitol. Homes sit vacant, many are in foreclosure, and home values are way down. Nor is this the worst of times. There are customers for the tellers at the Synergy One Federal Credit Union. Financial institutions like this one are not crippled because credit here is provided by a government-established bank. President Bill White says he can still take care of his customers.
We're still writing mortgage loans, consumer loans, credit cards, car loans. It's just that we're not having the members come in and borrow.
White says most people here are anxious about the gloomy economic forecasts.
Huge fear factor. And then I think they're angry too, some people that I talked to about the bailout.
Oh, the other is Christmas Club.
Customer Ann Adams says she is mad at big bankers and she counsels caution.
And here's that one.
We just all need to pay attention and focus and stop spending.
Good afternoon, everybody.
At the local Rotary Club, where they often serve up optimism, businessmen and women here are edgy, even though their businesses in this growing suburb are surviving. At Junction Travel, Bill and Janet Dennis are picking up tickets to Hawaii, the sort of travel the owner handles here. It's usually the kind of spending people cut back on first. Owner Steve Nelson says his business declined earlier this year, but not as alarms spread over possible financial collapse.
Last few weeks, same. I mean, we haven't really noticed a significant difference. We still have people calling, booking new trips.
Rich Kimball painstakingly molds neon tubes for new signs, a dispensable expenditure in an economy going bad.
Well, there's the LEDs for Rob.
The owner of Metro Sign and Design, Robert Anderson, says the phones haven't been ringing much with new customers in the last few days, yet
Money hasn't affected all those projects that are still in the pipeline.
even in neighborhoods like this one, dotted by foreclosure, the ground zero, so to speak, of the U.S. financial crisis, some say there are signs of life in the real estate market. The Center for Responsible Lending estimates that a quarter of the loans here have been risky subprime mortgages, double or more than the rest of the capital area. With the price of many homes here cut in half, Don Williams' real estate business is picking up.
We are selling houses like crazy. Our inventory is going down.
Travel agent Steve Nelson also heads the local Chamber of Commerce. He says the economy is bigger than the credit crisis.
Do we go out to the restaurant and have dinner? Do we go out and come into the office every morning? As long as those millions of little transactions happen every single day, the underlying strength of our economy will start to move forward again.
If this is a tale of two economies, business leaders and people on the street have one thing in common. Nearly all say they fear for the future. Jim Fry, VOA News, Manassas, Virginia.